So I saw this design and I thought it would be nice to implement that. This login screen, cool animations and stuff. Quite challenging, but possible. If you like this stuff as well, let's see how we can implement that. The core stuff that I want to focus now is this Angular reveal and the sliding button, which is like the most difficult one, and of course those inputs sliding from the side, like with the background color. And the easiest way to slide those inputs is with the wrap them all with one layout and move pivot to the bottom here and rotate it. Let's see what it's gonna look like. So that's the first part. It's quite simple. I just have a fragment with the linear layout and set its default rotation to -90 degrees, and then move pivot to bottom and on click animated rotation of the whole layout. Right, so how do we implement this reveal stuff? Perfectly, it would be just to set a background for our layout and hope it would look nice, but here we have a reveal starting from a bottom and it has two lines, top and bottom, plus the bottom slides to the right, so it's quite complex shape, and the only way possible to do that is using a canvas animation. If you don't know much about canvas animation, I will link videos under the video in the description, so check those out. So what kind of values do we have as an input, and where to go from, what to use as an input? Obviously this button is an animation from 0 to 90 degrees. Knowing that and knowing this width of the screen, you just need to get a Y point at a time to animate a triangle reveal. And just by hard-coded values on this website, so for example, if you have this is 90 degrees, this is 45, and Yeah, so just by matching values from this side and trying out different formulas on this side, I figured it's a tangent which we need to calculate formula. So that's what we have. We have a triangular view, and the main formula here is tangent. Alright, so we animate values from 0 to 90 degrees, and since tangent takes degrees in radians, so I animate value from in p over 2, which is 90 degrees. So we have a current angle. Width is width of the view, which takes the whole screen. It's just approximate values to see what it looks like. Then we clip it to be 0, and we draw 3 points using path. Move to this point, this, and close. And here we got triangle view. But we want to take it the whole screen, and it's gonna be a polygon already. But the best thing is to still think of it as a triangle. It's just the triangle goes over the top of the screen, and the screen just clips it. And the same using this side, I figured it's the cotangent, which is the formula I need to use. Adding a few points. So when the current value is 0, y value, this point, when it reaches this point, it means that we reached the top. Now we're gonna move to the right. Calculate cotangent using this angle, and the value, this value which is over this top of the screen. And that's what we got after a few lines of code and in the end of this tutorial. You can't go from one screen to another yet, so just restart the app. I will implement this in the next tutorial. So it's gonna be this scaling text, and those jumping buttons, and also so that there is 2 buttons which switch from one screen to another. And that's it for now. Thanks. Bye.